So this diamagnet is having paired electrons, that's why we are saying diamagnetic. It is having unpaired electrons, it is paramagnetic. So this will react with carboxy. So whenever it is reacting with CO, we are forming carboxy. These two compounds are unstable compound, I have told you. So it is forming a carboxy hemoglobin, which is a stable compound. And also it will react with CO2, carbon dioxide. So we are getting carbamino hemoglobin. So what happens? This is bounded through amino acid, we can say. So whenever Fe is involved bonding with O2 and the other Fe which is present in the HB will known as cooperative bonding, we can say. The CO2 releases from tissues. So what I have told you here, this one from liver to tissue I have told. Okay, so this one what happening, this is from tissue to liver. From tissue means reverse reaction it is happening. So whenever it releases from tissues and the pH value increases and the HB hemoglobin transport more amount of oxygen to the tissues. Okay, so because of the pH effect on HB oxygen transport, we call it as here Bohr effect. So generally we are having the molecular weight of hemoglobin is 64,500 is the molecular weight here. So whenever CO bonding to HB Fe, it is known as carboxy hemoglobin. Due to this what happens, it loses oxygen and its carrying capacity causes disorder, which will leads to death also sometimes. So because of this only we are getting the hemoglobin. And we are having myoglobin also. For this myoglobin, Fe is the example. Fe and Mg we can say. Why? Because these two are the, we can say, metalloporphyrins also. So these are stored in, mainly it is packed in muscles. Storage of oxygen in muscles we can say. Means what here, one heme and one globin it is present. It contains only one Fe atom and the molecular weight of Mb is 17,000 AMU. So here no pH effect is present, so no cooperative binding and also no Bohr effect. So it is a tetramolecule of MbHb. That one we calling as myoglobin. Hb is equals to Mb4. So this is about the structure and functions of hemoglobin and also iron. Thank you.